everyone. Now I'm going to start question number 4 of exercise 6.3. Now question number 4 says find the square roots of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. Now prime numbers means which starts from 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11 and so on. So we will have to take this number to find the prime factorization. Okay. Now why these are prime number? Because this number comes in only its own table. Okay. So here at first here if I take the number say 244, then see the last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So we will take 2 at first, and we will continue taking 2 till it is divisible by 2, and if then it is not divisible by 2, then we will take the another number. Okay. Now here, since last digit is odd number, so it cannot be divisible by 2 according to divisibility rule, that if the last digit is means the digit at ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means if even numbers are there, then only the number will be divisible by 2, so it won't be divisible by 2. Now we'll check by 3. So here we know that according to divisibility rule by 3, if the sum of the digit comes in 3's table, then it will be divisible by 3, or it's a multiple of 3, then we can say that the number will be divisible by 3. So if you find the sum of the digit like 7 plus 2 plus 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 comes in 3's table, so that means 729 will be divisible by 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 1, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now here I said that we will take the prime numbers. Okay. Now we'll at first we'll check whether it is divisible by 3 or not, then we will take the another number. Okay. So here 2 4 3, if you add this number, so 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Again this is divisible by 3, so 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Now 8 plus 1 is 9, so that means this is also divisible by 3. So we'll continue since it is since all the number is divisible by 3, so we'll continue by taking 3 only. And if it is if it is not divisible by 3, then we will take another number. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Okay, now again 27 comes in 3's table, so 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now here we will have to find the square root. So this is the symbol of square root. Okay. Now we'll write, since we will have to find the square root of 729, so we'll write 729. Here also we will write the square root and see what are the numbers we have got. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have got 3 6. Okay. 6 3 we have got 6 times 3. So we'll write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now we will make a pair over here. So this means one pair, this is again another pair, this is another pair. Okay. So from the pair we will take 1. So from 2 3 we will take 1 3. Again from 2 3 we will take 1. Again from 2 3 we will take 1. So the square root of 729 will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now in the next part we have 400. So as the last digit is even number, so we will take, so this will be divisible by 2. So we will take 2 at first. So 2 2s are 4, then zeros. Again this will be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, then 0. Again it will be divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10, then 0. Then 2 25s are 50. Right? Now see, this cannot be further divided by 2. Now we will take another number. So serially we have taken 2 because these all numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. Now after this see 3, it cannot be here last digit is 5. So that means it will be divisible by 5, because according to the divisibility rule of 5, that if the last digit is 0 or 5, then it will be divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25. Now 5 1s are 5. Okay. So we will have to find the square root of 400. So square root of 400 is, again we will have to write the square root. Now how many 2's we have got? 4 2's. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And how many 5? 2 5's we have got. So 5 multiplied by 5. Now you make a pair. like this 2 2 2 2 and 2 5s. So from the pair, if you take 1, from this pair we have got 1, from this pair we have got 1, and from this pair we have got 1. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So the square root of 400 will be 20. Okay. Now in the next part we have 1764. Okay. Now here, since the last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16. Then 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Again we have got 2, which is even number. So again it will be divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now here last digit is odd, so it won't be divisible by 2. Now we'll check by 3. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So that means it will be divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, then 3 4s are 12, 2, then 3 7s are 21. Okay, again we will check whether it will be divisible by 3 or not. If it is not divisible by 3, then we will take another number. Okay, now the sum of the digit here, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So again it will be divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 2 3 9s are 27. Now 7 7s are 49, then 7 1s are 7. So the square root of 1764 will be, again we will have to put the square root. 2 2 we have, then 2 3 we have, and then 2 7 we have, right? So we will make a pair of this. At first 2 2, then 2 3 and 2 7. Okay, so from 2 2 we will get 1, from 2 3 we will get 1 3, and from 2 7 we will get 1 7. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So the square root of 1764 will be 42. Now in the next part we have 4096, in which last digit is even number. So it will be divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 8s are 16. So again 8 is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, then 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 will be, here last digit is 2, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1, 5 2s are 10, 1, 2 6 are 12. So this is also divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, again by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. Now, so how many 2s we have got? First we will have to write the square root of 4096, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So total 12 2s we have. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now make a pair. 1 pair, 2 3 4 5 6. So we have made a pair of 2 2s. So from 2 2s we have taken 1, from 2 2s we have taken 1, again from these 2 we have taken 2, again from these 2 we have taken 1 2, from this pair we have taken 1, and from this pair we have taken 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So the square root of 4096 will be 64. Now in the fifth part we have 7744. Here also last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again it will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 6s are 12. Now again by 2. So 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 6s are 12, 1, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So what we are doing, we are dividing by this number. So here again we have got 1. Now this 11 11s are 121. So here we will take 11. Okay. Now So the square root of 7744 will be, we'll put the square root again. Now how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 2's we have. 4, 5, 6 and 2, 11 we have. Okay. Now make a pair. We'll just make a pair of two numbers. So from 2 we'll take 1. From 2 2's we'll take 1. From 2 2's we'll take 1. And from 2 11 we will take 1. So what will be here? 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 11's are 88. So the square root of 7744 will be 88. Okay.